Here's a simple and delicious chicken noodle soup recipe for you. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked chicken, shredded. 6 cups chicken broth. 2 cups egg noodles, or any pasta of choice. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 2 carrots, sliced. 2 celery stalks, sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon thyme, dried or fresh. 1 teaspoon parsley, fresh or dried. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon olive oil or butter. Optional: squeeze of lemon for freshness. Instructions: sauté veggies. In a large pot, heat olive oil or butter. Add onion, garlic, carrots, and celery. Cook 5 to 7 minutes until softened. Add broth and herbs. Pour in chicken broth, add thyme and parsley. Bring to a boil. Cook noodles. Add noodles and cook according to package instructions, usually 7 to 10 minutes. Add chicken. Stir in shredded chicken and cook 3 to 5 more minutes until heated through. Season and serve. Taste and adjust salt and pepper. Optional: add a squeeze of lemon. Serve hot. Tips: for richer flavor, simmer broth with chicken bones for 1 to 2 hours before adding veggies. You can add other veggies like peas or corn for variety. Use leftover rotisserie chicken for a quick version.